Peace be unto you. Edidong Epsiba is my name. I'm here to share a very short topic with you today, and it says, your lifestyle and COVID-19. Your lifestyle and COVID-19. Whether we believe it or not, whether we accept it or not, COVID-19 is real. Coronavirus as an epidemic is real. It's a pandemic. We believe God will give us solution. We believe God will give us victory. But I'm here to tell you, coronavirus is real. It doesn't have a cure yet. There's no vaccine for it. Every country is just trying anything they could try to make sure the thing is gotten rid of. I called a friend yesterday. We got talking. And she told me that some people told her that coronavirus is a scam. And I was surprised. I was taken aback. I just told her coronavirus is real. Some people don't believe. And that's what prompted me to make this show, to have this show today. Coronavirus is real. Don't join the crowd to do evil. Don't join the crowd to do wrong thing. But it is evil for you not to take precaution, and you want to spread it anyhow. You could spread it because you say you don't believe in it. That's why I said, don't join people to do evil. Don't join the crowd to do the wrong thing. Do the right thing. What are the laid down principles? What are the laid down guidelines that have been given by NCDC and our government? Let's obey. Don't join others to do the wrong thing. When you do the right thing, you influence another person to do the right thing, and everybody start doing the right thing. Coronavirus is not a scam. I tell you, it is real. Do you think all the states that have been shut down will just be shut down for nothing? Do you know how much it has affected our economy as a nation? Even in Lagos State, Ogun State, Abuja, so about Kano State. It is not a scam. It is real. Please, I want to tell you as well that you should sensitize as many people that you can. Let people know. People that don't know. The government cannot do everything. You are government. I am government. We can help. We can help to curtail the spread of coronavirus by sensitizing people. Let them know how dangerous it is to be careless. Let them know how deadly the disease is. As of today, there's no cure, no vaccine. We should trust God to help us. See what happened in Italy. Is this a joke? See what happened in Spain. Is this a joke? Some are saying it's not in Nigeria, but it's in other countries. It's in Nigeria. Please, let's believe it. It's Nigeria. NCDC could not be lying. The government of Nigeria could not be deceiving us. It is a truth. This is the truth. Coronavirus is real, not a scam. Another thing I want to say is, some people have tested positive before, and now they are cured. They are discharged. Please, don't stigmatize them. Love them. I once listened to a show on radio, and a scientist was saying that one thing with coronavirus is once somebody had it and the person is already treated, the person can never have it again. So people that are tested positive and they are not cured, they can never have it again. Let's show them love. Let's appreciate them. I'm not saying you should hug them. I'm not saying you should even visit anybody. It's not time for visitation. There's time for everything. The time we have in the world now is you have to be on your own. You can put calls through to people. You can chat with people on social media. Don't visit anybody unless it's really, really necessary and you cannot avoid it. So I want to tell you, my sister, tell people coronavirus is free. Don't be careless. Let's take every precaution. The government is not trying to sign for money from people that way they are now saying there's coronavirus. That's not true. It's a scam. Coronavirus is not a scam. But the scam is telling people that coronavirus is not real. I repeat, coronavirus is not a scam in Nigeria, but the scam is still telling people that coronavirus is not real. Play your parts. Play your role. As a parent, let your children know. As guidance, let your words know. As an employee, let people know. As an employer, sensitize your employee. Coronavirus is free. we are supposed to take caution. We are supposed to do only the things that we are told to do. Things that we have been told to avoid, let's avoid them. It shall be well with us. Don't join the counsel to do evil. Coronavirus is not a scam. Don't stigmatize people that had it before and sensitize people that don't know. When they know, after you have told them, they will know that it is true. So people don't know because they have not seen anybody to sit them down to explain to them. Be a good Nigerian. Be patriotic. Be nationalistic. Let's join hands together and fight this epidemic, and God will give us victory over coronavirus. Please tell others it is real, not a scam. Do your part. Don't spread it. Let's learn. Let's join hands together to curtail it. Till I come your way next time, I remain Edidon Efziba. Be natural.